think I really need you right now. So please text me back. I'm dodging apprehension.
Yeah, it's sounding crazy. I honestly can't wait for y'all to hear the real versions and like